Hi guys, this is Ju Travel and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react the cover video of Sarina Hilario with the song entitled Fly Me to the Moon. So guys, I really don't know what to expect from this cover video. Imagine Sarina's just turning 3 and yan, she's doing a cover of this amazing song Fly Me to the Moon. So before proceeding to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Excited ako nito guys. Nakakatuwa siguro to. Imagine guys, yung ano niya, yung views naka 2M na within just on 2 weeks lang. Grabe. She's really talented, right? Ooh, sa recording studio talaga sila. Ooh, ang cute. Tingnan mo, nag-i-enjoy talaga siya sa ginagawa niya. Grabe guys, imagine turning 3, na-memorize yung kanta na to. May tono na talaga yung kanta niya. Ooh, tingnan mo. She's so adorable. Forevermore. Woo! Feel na feel talaga yung pagkanta guys. Grabe guys yung pagbaano nila ni Jong Hilario nito, pag molds ba, kasi imagine 2 years old makakanta na ng ganito, memorize na yung kanta na. Wow. At one thing guys na na-admire ko sa pag ano nila, yung parenting styles nila is yung sinusuportahan talaga nila kung ano yung hilig ng bata. So, ang ganda lang niya tingnan sis. So, napaka-cute, adorable. So, parang pag pinapanood mo ito na pag sad ka, pag pinapanood mo ito, matutuwa ka talaga kasi unusual sa ganitong edad na marunong na kumanta, ma-memorize na yung mga lyrics. So, it's really nice. Enjoy na enjoy yung ano niya guys, yung pagre-record niya. Kitang-kita mo talaga siya na masaya siya sa ginagawa niya, natutuwa siya sa ginagawa niya. So, parang hindi siya pinipilit ng magulang niya na gawin ito. Parang ano talaga, yung sa kanya talaga yung voluntary niya na kaligayahan talaga. So, it's really nice. Wow. Ang ganda. Ang cute niya talaga. Yeah. Ang cute. Yeah. Woo. Bibong-bibong batang to sa. Nagba-vlog na din siya eh. Wow, ang cute talaga. Ooh, feel na feel talaga niyang kanta. Ooh. Ang cute. Wow, nakakatuwa yung cover video niya. Ang galing. Imagine. Sasabay talaga siya sa beats sa kanta. Kuha talaga niyang tono. Wow. Ang galing ni Sarina. Nakakatuwang bata to. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the cover video of Sarina Hilario doing a song entitled Fly Me to the Moon. So guys, panoorin nyo, nakakatuwa talaga siya. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.